What's up, YouTube? I know. Yo. Hey. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. Hi. After a year? And now I'm gringa, like, wait. Is she talking English? Like, wait. So, for those of you that have been following me, like, you know, what up, 3 people, 3 subscribers, like, yeah. When I first started my YouTube channel, I started it in Spanish because Spanish is my native language. But since I've been struggling with coming back to YouTube because I lack motivation, I've been dealing with a lot of crap lately and in the past few months or year. So, you know, the motivation is not there. Now that I have a little bit of motivation, I'll maybe come back and, you know, chill with y'all. But I don't really know what to do or if I want to keep going in the same direction doing makeup videos. But the thing is that I do want to approach a new audience, kind of. I'm gonna try the English thing. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna stop making videos in Spanish. Maybe it does. I don't know. But do you get that? 1, I'm not good. You know, there's a lot going on here. 2, I have 2 jobs now. So if I have the time, I'm too tired. You know, whoever is new, they don't care or they don't know what I'm talking about, so I'm sorry. I hope you find this somewhat interesting and like you want to subscribe to me. So what I'm gonna do today is really simple because I wasn't planning to actually do my makeup for this. I just wanted to somewhat give you an explanation for those of you that do follow my videos. I don't know, I just felt like y'all need an explanation, and I'm doing this because one of my friends, she keeps pushing me. I told you I have 2 jobs now. One of them is Ulta. One of the things that they did a couple months ago, no, a month ago I think, was that they were doing their eyebrows pink. But I am from what they call the task team. So I'm not really like on the floor. So I don't know if I was really part of that. So I didn't end up doing it. So what I think I'm gonna use is that Ooh La La Colourpop palette, which I love. And then I'm gonna use this Slave to Pink Super Shock Pressed Pigment, which is a really intense pink, bruh. I think I'm gonna keep it simple. So I'm gonna start with the Sandbar, which is a really hot pink matte. So I'm gonna try and see. Oh, I messed it up already. It makes me wanna dye my hair pink. What I'm gonna do now is clean them. So I'm gonna take like a flat brush and concealer and clean the heck out of them. And I'll do the same thing to the other side. And then what I was gonna do is something that I've been seeing a lot lately, and I wanted to try it. I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna put it as a highlight color. White, like in the inner corner of the eye. I'm seeing that it's kind of a thing, it's trending, where instead of putting like light color, shimmery, you know, sparkles, you put a as bright, you know, color in your inner corner. Not too much because I'm scared. I'm kind of digging it though, like for real. And what I actually didn't know, because this is my first time using this, is that it has like a really purple undertone. Not undertone, it just has like a purple sparkles. I think I'm gonna grab a little bit of Sandbar again. You know, add a little bit of it, and I add it a lot. Okay, don't do what I'm doing, okay? And then when you look like you have like a rash or something, you take a brush what I like to do is between me blending, get the excess off the brush. If I don't want to take it too far. It didn't work for me, I feel like. I don't know. I think I didn't do it how you're supposed to do it, right? I mean, from far away it doesn't look that bad. Okay. So apparently you can use your fingers too. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start using my fingers because, like I said, I was afraid to try this trend and now I see why. Okay. So I don't hate it, but I don't know if I just didn't do a good job. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe you're at home like, yo, go get it. You did it. So I think I'm gonna take a little bit of tickled and I'm gonna put it on my brow. Oh, this is really shimmery. You know, going back when I said this was gonna be a simple look. No, I think I'm gonna keep it simple. And then what I was gonna do, really simple, a natural look. I think I'm gonna go with the black. Not good, making good decisions lately, so I'm gonna take again. Oh my god, almost everything is from ColourPop, y'all. ColourPop Ultra Matte the Tone Friday. And yeah, that would be my look for day to work. No, but basically this video was mainly to kind of explain a little bit why I've been absent from my channel and to you know, kind of introduce myself to new people, hopefully to approach new viewers and new opportunities. English. Hopefully I'll be more active in this channel because I really like doing YouTube. Thank you once again for watching. I love you and I appreciate you. Tilintilan sopitas de pan. We'll catch ya. Well, we see each other when we see each other. I don't know, okay? I don't know. Bye.